Hey guys, me Nathan here. So this video, I got this from my friend today. My friend from my bus gave me this. So it goes 2 important CG booster packs and then 1 EX card. So that's good. It's actually an EX card. It could be an EX card. I don't know. GX or EX. No, it's gonna be EX. It could be like an EX. Like it's always gonna be XY or like a rare 2012. I didn't know about that. And this is another video. Avery having meltdown again. Avery's mad again. Alright, now let's see this is. Okay, it was not EX, it's a GX. They fooled you right there, because supposedly EX, like, but it's a GX though, but now I got, is it a promo? Yep, this is a promo. I got like a promo. So, I tell you I got a promo. Good thing. A Reshiram GX, 108 HP. I can't see it. Sorry for that. Very blurry crap like that. The GX tag you only can use once. You only could use it once. 180 though. Alright, this is only have like the Pokemon XY series, the Phase Collide, and the Steam Siege. I'm gonna go Steam Siege first. Secret rares of these packs is actually so rare. I have not even get one yet. This is the rare and then reverse hollow. Good thing. What was it? Oh yeah, that's actually. Well, that was Steam Siege, and this is the Phase Collide. Hope lucky thing happens right here. Free. I might feel how. Well, like this might be a rare hollow. Who knows? All right. A rare hollow. It was a rare hollow because feel the texture. If that was secret rare, it felt something different. Ricario rare hollow. I don't have it. I don't have that one though, but I got a rare hollow, and this is 110 HP. But oh look, you see where attacks are. You see a fade. Like you see that outside the holographic. See, look. Like right there. You see it? Right there. Avery sneezing video. I got Avery sneezing video. Alright. That was a good pack, at least so far.
The missile that launched opponents just ran right in my one. What?
I got rare hollow. I got rare hollow Ricardo. Alright, let's back. The regular rare. I think it's Mungus. Nope, it's Teleflame, okay. Teleflame is a regular rare, but this is kind of weak attack. Alright, let's go to reverse hollows. Might be not reverse. It's uncommon. Ultra Ball. Clink. Common reverse, but one pack was good. It had included this. Alright, let's just go away. Alright, that's like only it. That's only had 2 packs only. Stop falling. Alright, this is only the cards. Got Mankey, Dugan, also got Pubertar, Mordon. This is the grass type. Finnegan, Snivy at the start one. Whisper, Machine, and right. But guess what? I can use this for if I can find it. Now where I put it? I did put it. Oh, there we go. Now I could evolve this into this. Cause look at the match. This evolved. Cause see, cause real evolves the word Kyle though, right? Completed. Now I have to get the energy though. Still have energy in my collection though. Good thing I got like that. Not except that it's not only that I had that promo. Powerful. This is much more powerful. This one is a newer. This should be like 2018. Yep. Isn't I sure? Am I sure? Am I sure it's 2018? I'm pretty sure. Because I'm pretty sure I know it's Dragon Majesty. It was like the 2018 Sun and Moon. I might be correct. That Resham GX that is like 2018 on right now, but it is from now. But it's actually like a summon promo. Alright, I'm gonna go. See ya. Bye.